Hi there, everyone, and this is Pray Love. And today is a special day because I was going actually to put on Clouds by Ariana Grande, but I had an order arrive in the mail sooner than I expected, and I'm gonna unbox it in front of you. All right, so the order was like there was some other products, but mainly like the two fragrance products that were in there was this one, Musc Impérial Atelier Cologne, in a 30 milliliter bottle, and um, a small spray of Kissing Burns, 6.4 calories per minute. Want to work out? Uh, I used to have a full bottle of that one, and I really liked it, but I was like not going through the whole bottle at all. So I think just a spray like that will be like good enough to remind me of that smell and wear it sometimes, but not too much. Like it's a really strong one too. And this one is pretty strong too, and that's why I only take the 30 milliliter. I never get through a bigger bottle of that one. So today we're unboxing this one in particular. I'm gonna unbox the other one when I feel like it. And it's a very special day for me because it's one of those fragrances that I really enjoyed from day one, like in the beginning of my fragrance journey, and I never bought it because it's quite pricey, and I don't know, I was always like on something else was on my mind, and recently it was like, do it. And I'm doing it right now, right in front of you. So as you can see, like the box, like it's super um, ordinary. Like nothing comes off like more ordinary than that for a bottle. So I'm gonna open it, and now you see that it's only like a cover board. There's actually another bottle inside it, which says like Musc Impérial. It's the collection of the Cologne Absolue. It's a pure perfume. Um, yeah, it explains a bit of the how it was made, and that the ingredients are 89% natural, and so it's a very natural one. This one, um, made in France. All right. Okay. So, and here is a loyalty program stuff that they always put in those things. I can open it, and then here you go, the little bottle, Musc Impérial. So, oh yeah. At first, like the first time I smelled that, I was like, this is not for me. it's like musky and stuff. It's called Musc Impérial, so it's musky. Um, but I still like got myself a sample of it just because, and I was like an instant fan of that one when I put it on, and just craved on it since then. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on. Oh yeah. Yeah, it smells so noble, so rich, you know. Mm. And there's this there's the berries in there. I think it's like fruity but not too much. It's musky, so musky, you know, it's like almost like it's almost like a clean animalic, you know. Yeah, really like bass notes, you know, very bass and very like somewhat subtle but strong, still present, and like not aggressive at all. This one is like you wear that and it's just good, you know, and it projects well. I remember it projects well and it lasts a long time. Um, some people have noticed on the internet the resemblance between Musc Impérial by Atelier Cologne and another very popular fragrance that is called Aventus by Creed. And um, during one of my travels, I stumbled upon a Creed outlet uh, in a big, I think it was New York, Saks Fifth Avenue. And I tried it on Aventus just to see the resemblance between Aventus and Musc Imperial, and I kind of get like vaguely that they have something in common, but it's absolutely not the same. Musc Imperial is a lot more subtle and a lot more like tame. Uh, like the actual like the the bottle and everything, like what they chose, like the lettering and stuff, it actually quite represents well their brand. It's very like it's very tame, it's very controlled, it's very like, but it's gorgeous, you know. It's just mm, it's just so nice. It smells deep and noble and everything. Aventus to my nose was more aggressive, um, more definite, more resolute. Um, completely different. The Aventus, we could wear that on like a night out in the club, and like I could wear Musc Imperial to a book club. You know, it's like it's really like a lot more like sophisticated ish. Aventus is sophisticated and it costs like the buck. But I would like see it more like on the night outs and everything. Whereas this one is more like a somewhat day-to-day fragrance. It's not like it's not at all for the clubbing, the bars, the stuff. It could like you could put it off in any situation. Just like Aventus, like Aventus. Some people like they like to wear it like on going to hikes along the sea. You know, it's really nice for that too because it's like fruity and still very noble and can give off that bucolic vibe. This one is like full on. The Musc Imperial is full on like bucolic style. You're a I don't know, an intellectual or some sort. I hate saying this. I'm saying this all the time, but I hate saying this. But like, you know, you're someone who reads poetry. You read Virginia Woolf. Uh, this one is like more for you than maybe Aventus is like. For me, it's like a lot of social signaling that comes with the scent. Um, and it's more associated with like the like extroverted stuff. Like this one would be like an introverted like Aventus. If you want to really see the resemblance, both have musk. I think both have some of the berries, some of the fruits, but this one is like more berries. Aventus is more like the pineapple and the citrus. This one has less citrus, still has some, but it's more like the blackcurrant and um, yeah, the berries in general. I think there's fig in there. It's one of my favorite notes. I don't have much fragrances that have that, but I really do enjoy figs. It's one of my favorite fruits too. All right. So um, yeah, I hope you'll check it out. It's like in Sephora's. It's super mainstream, like to find the Atelier Cologne. So go for it and check it out for yourselves. Uh, Meanwhile, have a good day, spread love, but also